Quicker than you think, baby.
And then after 6 weeks, you can change them if you want to. Just make sure nothing heavy, nothing dangly for at least the first year. Whoops. And she's going to want earrings in solid for 6 months. Just so you don't have to worry about them closing up or anything like that. I might clip that stray little crazy hairline.
Macy, are you excited? Thumbs up?
Now I can see what's going on. Here, let's put this other hair over here too. Put this down.
Macy, you're so beautiful.
That tickles.
Tickles. It's cold, huh? All right.
Macy, are you nervous? No.
It's less hard than singing in front of the church. Remember how nervous you were then? Yeah, this is not near as bad. Right? Yeah. And you still did